Alright, we're going to go for a little ride here, and basically it's a little transportation car that we ended up with. It's a 1996 Mustang GT Coupe. It's actually got a lot of power. It's a 4.6 liter V8. They're not rated for a lot of horsepower. I think they said they're 215 or something, but I don't know. This thing will do a burnout. Kind of fast. But nice little car. It's automatic transmission. It's got air conditioning. It's got a leather interior, but to be honest with you, the leather under those seats is pretty tattered. The back seat looks like it's in good shape. We put new tires on it. I think we put a new fuel pump in it. It sat for a while. The previous owner passed away, and you know, we just kind of ended up with it. Helped somebody out to take it out of there. So we kind of went through it a little bit, and it's a good little driver. Decent amount of power. Drives, you know, air conditioning blows cold. It's got 157,000 miles on it. These motors will last. I got a couple customers with well over 300 on the 4.6, so they're actually really good engines. They used them in cop cars, the Crown Victorias, you know, Ford Explorers. So it's a well-used, well-known engine, just like the Chevy 350 would be. All right, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video, just do a little walk around for you on it. All right, here we have a nice little 1996 Mustang GT Coupe. These are neat little cars. They're kind of underrated. They're not expensive, and this one's got some nice brand new tires on it. It's got the chrome wheels, the spoilers. It's got a leather interior, power windows, power locks, kind of all the goodies, air conditioning, dual exhaust. It's a 4.6 liter V8, pretty spry. Got little snorkels in the hood there for 96 year model. Not a bad car, just a transportation car, you know, nothing real special about it. It's got 157,000 miles on it. Runs and drives good. Interior, like I mentioned, it's got seat covers on it because the front seats are pretty beat up. Back seats are in nice shape though, the leather. It's got the, I think they call it the MACH sound system, MACH 460, which is still antique for its age. AM, FM cassette. Actually has a CD player down there too. Dual airbags. Got the steering wheel cruise control. Not a bad little car. Something fun to drive. Somebody needs a car for transportation. Some guys turn these into race cars. You can take the car and take it all apart and go to the track and have some fun with it. Inexpensive transportation. Here's the power plant in the 96 Mustang GT. That's that 4.6 liter. They're a good little engine, plenty of power, V8. It's got an automatic transmission, four-wheel disc brakes, of course, power steering and all that good stuff, analog brakes. It's got a Hydro Boost brake system, just noticed that. It's kind of neat. That's what we put on a lot of the hot rods. Yeah, nice and stock. Runs smooth. No modifications. Dual exhaust sounds good. Neat car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, City of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. And my name is Rich. Happy to show you the car. If you need some wheels to get around, get to work and back. Thanks for watching.